Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Raima Veer. Today I am here to discuss with you about Microsoft Word. These are some questions which we have to discuss. First of all, we discuss what is Word. Microsoft Word or MS Word is a graphical word processing program that user can type with. It is made by computer company Microsoft. The purpose of the MS Word is to allow the user to type and save documents. History of MS Word. The first ever version of Microsoft Word, Word 1, was launched in the October 1983 and wrote by former Xerox programmers Charles Simogi and Richard Brody. The two were hired by Microsoft founders Bill Gates and Paul Allen in 1981. At this time, Word was called Multi-Tool Word. It was designed for use on computers that can run the UNIX operating system. Version 2 was released in 1985 with added features including spell check and count check. And in 1993, Microsoft released Word 6, which worked on Macintosh, Windows, and DOS. Word 6 was the last version created to run on DOS, and the last version to be identified by version numbers. Subsequent versions were named after this year of release. Since then, Microsoft has released a new version of Word at least every 2 years. The most recent release was the end of 2018 with Word 2019, part of Office 365. Advantage of MS Word over typewriter. Following are some advantage of MS Word. Efficiency. Documents can easily be sent electronically. It is easier to make change to your documents, spell change, grammar checking, insert image and art in documents. Uses of MS Word for office purposes: preparing data, preparing legal pleadings, preparing applications, preparing meeting agendas, preparing notice, preparing calendars, preparing faxes, preparing resumes, and such others. And there are many others uses. And in this, how to load MS Word. First of all, we go on Start, then select MS Word icon or double click on the desktop shortcut, or other method is Start, R program, Microsoft Word, and फिर MS. In this slide, we discuss about how to create a new document. First of all, we have to go to Start, our program, Microsoft Office, then MS Word, then blank document. Different parts. Here we discuss about different parts. In this slide, I am talking about basic parts of MS Word by pointing arrowhead toward each part. This arrowhead to show quick access bar, tab, home, group font, dialog box, launcher, title bar, ruler, ribbon, zoom slider, status bar, and working area. In this slide, I am talking about how to change the basic view. First of all, we have to go on view tab, then view groups, then select layout you need. This picture show how it can work. In the next, how we show hide, ruler, grid, lines, navigation pane. First of all, we have to go on view tab, show groups, select check ruler, grid, line, navigation pane. How we can zoom in or out document. We have to go on view tab, zoom group, click zoom button, select zooming level, and then OK. Use open how we can open new document window. First of all, we can go on view tab, window group, click new window button, and then we get open new document window. How we can save our document. First of all, we go on file, then save, then select allocation, type a file name, select save as, type and save. How to insert blank page on MS Word. First of all, click insert tab, then page group, and then blank paper. How we can save document with password. First of all, we have to go to file, then save as, select a location, then type a file name, then select tools, then general options, then type password as required, OK, re-enter password and then save. How we can add bullets and numbering? Select the text, home tab, then paragraph group, then add bullets, numbering, select a bullet number style or define your own. How we can change page background formatting and theme? First of all, we have to go to design tab, then document formatting group, then theme, style, page and background. From this we can change page background. How we can change text style? First of all, we have to select text title, then home tab, then style group, then select or create a new style. How we can add column in the page layer tab, then page setup group, then column, then more columns, select number of columns or OK. How we can change page orientation? First of all, we have to select page layout tab, then page setup group, orientation and then landscape. How we can change page size? First of all, we have to go on page layout tab, then page setup group, then orientation, then landscape and portrait. How we can change the formatting of text? Select the text, then home tab, then from font group. This B show bold. By touching B we can bold our letters. By I we can make italic letter. By U underline we can make underline. Strike through or subtract, font effect, color, highlight and font. Change clear case formatting, increase and decrease font size, font type. How we can add table of content? Reference tab, table of content group, table of contents, select a style. Use custom table of content to make models. How we can correct our spellings and grammar? Review tab, proofing group, spelling and grammar change all. The red line showed that there is a spelling mistake. The green line showed that there is a grammatical mistake. If you do not want to change anything, use ignore all or ignore. Customize column, OK. Select recipients, OK. Next, finish mail merge wizard is edit individual letter all and OK. Use ignore all or ignore if you do not want to make changes. Thank you for listening my presentation. We can easily understand word if we work on a word. Without working on a word we cannot understand how MS Word work.